Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Sick Moron. I know that I'm not uploading a lot nowadays, like how I used to do once a week. I used to upload, but these past few months it hasn't been the case. I've been like uploading like every week for 2 weeks and then stop, and then after 1 month or 2 months I get up again and then upload the video again. uh I just have like a really I've got a lot going on right now. Like I have school and then to come back, and the assignments and the projects, it's really hard. And I try my best to upload and provide content to you guys every week. I try my best. I'm gonna try my best to upload because next week onwards, for I think 2 or 3 weeks, I'll not be uploading because I have my exams coming up, and for 2 3 weeks I'll not be uploading. But anyways, I thought that before I write my exam, let me just answer your questions that you asked me on Instagram. Yes, if you haven't check out my Instagram, it's Ahmed Sayed, and I put on my Instagram story a few days back to ask me questions. So yeah, here it goes. The first question is, are you going to be playing any video games on your channel? Well, not exactly. I did one video. I did one gaming video, the Miles Morales one, and that didn't work out. So I tried to do like I tried to upload different videos, and I see if like the viewers love them. And if it doesn't have a lot of views and it doesn't have a lot of likes, I don't upload it. But I'll I'll try to upload more gaming videos in the future because I hope you guys like it. I'll try to improve my. I'm gonna try my best to make it as interesting as possible. If you were to describe your older self to your younger self, what would you say? This question is asked by Jeff Mario. I would say, don't focus on what people say. Do what you love, and if it doesn't work out in the first try, like whatever you're doing, if it doesn't work out in the first try, who cares? Just continue, work 10 times more harder, and yeah, that's what I would give. And I would say one day you're going to reach 100 subscribers. I know that's not a lot, but I never thought I would actually get to 50, but then you guys made it possible for me to reach 100, and it was okay. I'm holding a sneeze right now, so I'll talk after that.
One eternity later.
So thank you so much. Keep showing your love and support, and one day 1,000 subscribers. Right, let's do this. 1,000 subscribers. The next question is, how do you want to grow this channel? I always keep setting milestones for myself, like, okay, by the end of this month I want to reach 200 subscribers. And if that's really hard, then I try to make it easy and say, okay, 250 subscribers. And then by the end of this year, my goal for the end of this year is I want to reach at least 400 subscribers. I'm going to be realistic. 350. Anyways, 400, nothing is impossible. So make sure to tell your friends, give me a shout out, give me a shout out, and tell your friends to subscribe to me. And yeah, we're gonna reach 400 soon. Next question, do you want to build a snowman? I'm gonna skip to the next one because this is weird. Crush. Crush. Should I answer this question? Oh no. No, I'm not answering this question. Next question. Tell us your crush. If celeb, please show pic. Go study. Your board exams are in November. She's asking me all these type of questions. I'm going to pay him back for this question. And the last question is, how did you reach from 80 subscribers to 115 subscribers in just 4 weeks? What's the secret? The secret is you all guys showing your love and support and subscribing to my channel and making to check out my videos, and that helped a lot. So please make sure to tell your friends to subscribe to my channel and your family, friends. So continue to show your love and support, and we reach million subscribers one day. So that is it, guys. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, before I end this video, I would like to give a shout out to one of my very close friends, my closest friends, Abhinav. He asked for a shout out, but I'm giving you a shout out. Follow Nair Abhinav on Instagram. No, his name is Abhinav now, with 100 V's. I'm going to leave his Instagram link in the description below. So make sure to check him out on Instagram and follow him. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Peace.